Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your JBL Alive 500. First, select them from the JBL headphones application. Next, go for the bottom of the screen, click right here. That's the quick tips. Let's go back from this one. To turn on equalizer or turn off, you have to click on the switcher, and as you can see, you can find free preset. If you want to create your own, tap on the plus, where you can move any knobs right here. And if you want to save, you can click right here and give it name. Click on the switcher to confirm. As you can see right now, our custom preset appears. There we go. And if you want to get rid of any preset, the custom preset, just click and hold it and move to this trash icon. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.